Alright, what we doing, bro?
Fucking in the smoke.
Yeah, buddy!
Born on the bayou.
Shoot the tank! Oh my god.
Tank's rolling right in.
Fuck, dude, he rolled right over our old tank. Ah, who's our anti-tank, bro? Let's fucking shoot the fucking... How my...
We need some fat bitch with a fucking machine gun to sit in that road, dude. Into there, that might not be bad setup.
Got one.
I got 20 seconds. Try and keep me alive while I get this fucking thing down.
You got a guy right here?
You close?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh, fuck, I blew
Whoa!
up.
Dude, I just saw your body, bro.
Nah.
Why is this guy putting his rifle at me? You dumb fuck. Everyone's going that way, you retard.
You're all dying.
My lungs collapsed.
Oh my god! I ran out of ammo! I cannot believe I
They're
made it
getting
out of there.
because there's no-
Eat my dick! Give me the Medal of Honor. Fuck! I died!
No, I haven't turned down a little bit because the command. I want to hear the command channel over anything.
That's fair. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm saving that. I don't care if I get shot.
Bo wiedzie biały węgorz.
Tylko jedno w głowie mam, kok sobie